life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Falling, 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 started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
I wish that the spinner is different, but unfortunately I cannot change that. This is how it should be. And yeah, it doesn't look like the GE9X engines, but by painting those black, so it gives you the illusion that it's hollowed somehow, and just the lip in here, so it's not bad. And this is, it's really strong. And now we can get the best performance out of the fans. And yeah, both are done, installed, glued, very strong. So we have an event coming in 2 weeks in Kirberg, Germany, and it's a big event. We go there every year. I will take the 777, and also I will take the small boogie with me. I'm not going to fly the 777. I will just fly the 737, but I will show the big airplane in the public there. And I already bought 2 tents for it to cover it. So if you are in Germany, if you live in Germany and you're close to Kirberg, and if you want to meet me and see my airplanes, just come over. I will leave the links for the location and the exact date of that event. I want to say thanks again to my Patreons. Thank you very much, guys. My old plotter machine broke. It was a white one and it broke, and now I bought a new one. It's from eBay. It's Chinese, like around $200, but it works good. And this is so important for me because I got all of my stickers in it. And yeah, so this is from Patreon. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Next week, I think the next video is going to be from the event. and I will fly the airplane, show you some pictures and some more awesome footage. Thank you for watching. Thanks for the support. Subscribe if you want. Click this notification bell so you don't miss any video, because you don't want to miss the maiden flight. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.